it's Madeline, and I am back today with another unboxing of a Boho Needs order. And I love her things. This is not my first unboxing from a Boho Needs item. And I ordered this from this lovely woman named Mahitaj, and I'll link her info down below. But enough chatting, let's get into it. So, when I first opened the big package that came from overseas, I saw this in there, and I didn't order this. So these are some little goodies she sent along. So let's take a look at them. That is gorgeous. This almost feels like this applique is embroidered with like metal or something. That is just stunning. And then in here, there's also what appears to be this little scroll. Let's unwrap this. Oh, very pretty. Ooh, that would be pretty for a pocket or to put on a cover. So pretty. So pretty. And also in this bag, it looks like she sent me some boho beads. And I love her beads. They are so beautiful. They have such a great patina. I love them. So thank you, Mahitaj. Whoops. For all the extra goodies. So now let's get in to the main event. Now I went ahead and undid the tape. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I was able to get my hands on one of her envelope sets, and I have just long wanted a set of this, and so let's get into it. It looks like she's wrapped the outside with this beautiful kind of like burnout velvet fabric, and another piece of it here. That is just so pretty. Thank you for sending that along too. And then let's get into it. Now, she has her own website, and she makes things and uploads them, and they go very fast. So you all kind of have to stalk her website, follow her on YouTube. She always does an upload. Not an upload. She does, yes, an upload of a video of the new things she puts in her shop. So on top, it looks like there's this gorgeous journaling card with a button and this applique. And it'd be good for a photo on the back, or I need to get a white pen. Comment down below and tell me what kind of, if you use a white pen, where you get it, what brand, because I'm not sure where to get it, what brand. Just comment down below if you have a good one you use. Look at this. This is just amazing. She is such an artist. So let's get into it and see what's in this first envelope. This is so exciting. Okay, so in the first envelope, it looks like she sent me a very beautiful gold foil heart-shaped doily and some beautiful buttons, covered buttons that I can use on my own projects. And oh, this very pretty piece of trim. That is so pretty. I could see this being like a closure, a journal maybe, or something like that. Very pretty. So that is the first envelope. And again, I love that. Okay. Here's the second envelope. And I mean, look at the detail, these silver roses. The paper is very like good, sturdy paper. Beautiful. Let's see what's in here. Surprises, I love it. Okay. So in this one, it looks like she has sent, look at, gorgeous. This appears to be kind of a mesh trim with some embroidery on it, some sequins, very generous amount, gorgeous. Then it looks like she sent along a piece of ephemera you can use to make an envelope. But that is a closure. Very pretty, beautiful. So I'll move that to the side. All right, and next, it looks like we have another one of these. I just love this applique. Sort of reminds me of a fleur-de-lis. It's probably not what it is, but this lace, and look at this lace. It's beautiful. Oh, some more of the trim here. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, gorgeous. It's a little journal. Again, I'm definitely going to need a white pen so I can write in this. Beautiful. Or, I mean, it would be great for photo album, photo books. All the pages are sewn around. And just the attention to detail is just, look at that. That looks like it's got little bitty beads in it. Beautiful. All right, so moving on. Another envelope with some more of this really pretty lace on it. Trim. More trim. Pom-pom trim. What is in here? Ooh, all kinds of goodies. All right, let's look at them. This looks like a piece of vintage ephemera. Very cool. Love that writing. Ooh, look how cool this is. It's got a little envelope in it. Beautiful. A little journaling card. Another journaling card with some gold foil. Another journaling card. So pretty. And my goodness, a piece of fabric. Beautiful. Kind of silver undertone. I'm sure you've noticed by now that this whole set, the theme is black, white, silver, gold, which I love that. It's like such a classy color combination. That's fun. So these all go in here. And then last, but certainly not least, the main event. Again, some more trim. And this paper, you guys, it is very substantial paper. I don't even know what the weight of it is, but it's very substantial. Like, I feel like these envelopes are really going to hold up and last. And, oh my goodness, look at this silver lace trim. Amazing. And a big journal. Beautiful. Let's do a little flip through. Pocket, journaling card. Butterfly, so pretty. This looks like coffee dyed paper. Ruffle, I love her ruffles. She uses ruffles on a lot of her things. She makes the best ruffles. Little belly band, the journaling card tucked in. Some more of that lace. Looks like there's a little piece of paper for journaling tucked in right here. another journaling card. I mean, or you could use this to make a flip, an envelope, anything. I love how decorated her items are, but then she sends lots of things to sort of make it your own. And look at this. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, fabric flip right here. Look at this trim. Silver, gorgeous. And again, the stitching around all the pages, I've never seen a journal maker or an artist do that before. And I mean, I just think it's lovely. More of this pom-pom trim. And I mean, literally, she's got every page decorated or something clipped into every page. I mean, just, I cannot imagine the time she puts into this. Some more silver trim there. Oh, another big piece of this lace, silver lace. It looks like it's a pocket. And it really, I, as a journal maker, I get so many ideas and so much inspiration from her things. Another journaling card clipped in. I love these little paper clips. More lace, gold trim. And then another card clipped in right here. And then this is on the back page here. And then that's the back. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of my latest order from Boho Needs. Like I said, I'll put her information down below, and go check out her website. I know she just put a lot of new things up on her website, lots of journals, another envelope set, materials, she has sari ribbons, lots of items like that. So I'll put her information down below, and if you go visit her, tell her that Madeline sent you. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.